Yes, Matthew, I did find them. Ha ha. So it's time for me to go to work, and I'm a little bit late, and it's like my second day, so I hope my boss doesn't get too mad. Uh-oh. Oh good, he wasn't too mad. So the plumber came, and our toilet is no longer leaking. Yay! So 2 went with me to get the mail, and she's just been hanging out the window like that, and I think it's so cute. She's just smelling everything. Silly dog, silly dog. I don't want to say this too loudly because I don't want to spoil it, but it's not raining. So I'm gonna go ride.
2 hours later.
Anthem and I just finished our workout, and now we're going for a little trail ride to cool down. Good boy. Good boy. All the horses love this brush, and they make the cutest faces while I brush them with it. See if I can show it. Is that nice? You like that? See, Gracie quit. Come on, monkey. I hope that's even getting it. I don't think it is. This is very difficult. Ah, no! Okay, cooperate. What the heck, camera? Do what you're supposed to do. I don't have very much time left on you. Okay, hopefully that'll work. Come on, baby girl. Well, I got 2 horses worked, and the air conditioning guy just showed up, so I'm gonna hurry on down to the house because we gotta deal with the air conditioning, cook dinner, and go running tonight, and it's already like 6:30.
I was trying to find where my cucumbers are because we were gonna have some salad with our steak, and I couldn't find them. And then I remember Amanda put them over here, which you can't read it, but it says solitary because she doesn't like cucumbers. Ah! It's my cucumber.
Ah, yes, victory!
It goes in there.
We are cooking dinner together.
Yay, we cook dinner together because we love each other, and after 5 years of marriage, we finally figured it out. She does that stuff, and I do this stuff.
And he does the meat.
And we don't give each other suggestions.
No, we just stay away.
Oh my goodness, not only is it so good to have air conditioning, but to have it in this room. Oh, it's fantastic. I am so happy. It feels so nice. However, I did not realize how expensive Freon is for air conditioners. Apparently it's like 50 bucks a pound or whatever. And this unit, this whole time, has had a leak. So when we moved in here, I mean, it hasn't worked since we got here. So I don't think there was ever any Freon by the time we got here. The fill it up is going to cost nearly $350. Woohoo! So hopefully our land person has mercy on us, and because we're supposed to be responsible for filling up the Freon as we consume it. But who cares? It's air conditioning.
Vlog this delicious meal that Matthew made and I made, but then I ate most of it. Right? Well, at least I ate most of my vegetables and some of this. But anyway, Matthew made a delicious dinner. We had steak and risotto and zucchini and squash, and I did those too. I keep saying Matthew. Matthew makes just the best steak ever, though. So, steak. Hey, let's watch a movie and go to bed.
I stay up too late. And nothing in my brains.
Should you give up? Trying.
Sure.
I think we're gonna sleep in here tonight because there's air conditioning in this half of the house, but not the other half.
Go walk into the other half of the house. Not you guys, you.
Me?
Have you been over there yet?
No, I haven't. Alright, let's do this. Let's do this! Here we go. Oh gosh, I almost fell over. That was exciting. You're just gonna walk with me, I guess. Let's see. How's the rest of that? Oh, gross! Is this what we've been living in?
No, the old air conditioning was slowly. But no, yeah.
That was awful.
Yeah.
We're definitely sleeping on this side of the house tonight.
Oh, yeah.
There is no chance. I don't even want to go edit that video. Oh, crazy. Say goodnight.
Good night, everybody! That's a bad kitty. That one right there. He knows he's not supposed to be there, but he's there and he's sleeping.
He's cute.
And he's too cute, so I'm not gonna disturb him. But you're a bad kitty. You're not supposed to be there. So remember when we said we were going to bed with my crazy eyes? Well, it turns out we're not going to bed. We're having a Doctor Who marathon, which is, it's over there. Hello, marathon. So Doctor Who, there's the sofa for Amanda. I mean the air mattress for Amanda right there. And I'm on the sofa, and because I'm working some. And yeah, we're having a Doctor Who slumber party Doctor Who marathon because this is the room with the air conditioning. Woohoo! So I guess good night again. Yeah.
Good night for real this time.
Good night for Rizzle, my shinizzle, dizzle, fizzle.